Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have created a look using the Juvias Place Warrior, not Warrior, Tribe palette. And I am already priming my eyes with the Born This Way concealer, and this is what that palette looks like. Pretty green shades and neutral tones. So I'm going in with that mustard tan shade in the top row in the center. I do apologize, I lost that clip where I showed you that color, but I'm just blending that in my crease. And then next I'm going in with this very deep hunter green shade in just below that mustard shade, and then I'm just gonna blend that. And even though this portion of the video is very short, as you can see it is sped up, and it was a very long time blending the shadow. So now I'm going in with this green shimmer shade, and I'm going to add that to the outer portion of my lid and bring it in just a little bit. Next, for my lid shade, I will be using this lime green shade on my lid. And for liner, I am using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And I did the rest of my liner and added lashes off camera. And I'm just priming my face with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, just a sample from Sephora. And for the foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I picked up the wrong shade. This is just it's a tad bit light for me. I believe this is in caramel, but I am going to go in with a dark powder just to blend it out so that it doesn't look gray on me. And for concealer, I'm using the MAC 24 Hour Wear Concealer. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Honey. And I do apologize for my background noise. My granddaughter is having a moment. And I'm just gonna bronze up my face, as I mentioned, just so that that foundation doesn't look so light. And this is the Black Radiance finishing powder in Milk Chocolate. And for blush, I'm using the Juvias Place blush in the shade Bella. And then just going back into that Tribe palette, I'm going to use this yellow shade and just highlight the inner portion of my eyes. And I'm going to go back in with that mustard shade and just going to add that to my bottom lash line. And then go in with that deep hunter green shade that I used in the crease and add that to the outer portion of my lower lash line. And I'm just going to use my NARS Climax mascara on my bottom lashes. And for highlight, I'm going to use this bronze shade from the same palette and just highlight all the places I like to highlight. And for lips, I'm using the Crayon Case lip liner in the shade Plump. Just and for lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. So I never show this part of my videos, but I am setting my face with my Mario Badescu setting spray. And that is it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed and that you take with you something from this look. I hope that you subscribe as well as click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. And again, I do apologize for my background noise. I don't know why this little girl is up right now, but it's very late and I'm doing my audio. So I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully it will be peaceful and quiet. Bye guys.